there's a lot of conflict in the world, and mostly because of a lack of understanding between two parties, whether it's one side oppressing the other or two sides just fighting it out. So what we hope to do with this theme of virtual world is through virtual experience, have both sides see each other's perspective, like one side to see the other and the other side to see the first one's. Create some kind of mutual understanding so that they'll be more hesitant to create conflict and be less hostile. Also, this could be a way to accelerate change, like if there's something new, radical, that will change people's lives. Some people might be against it, but using this method, we could let them see why, the benefits of this new radical thing, and help speed up some good, positive change. We have no idea how we're going to implement this, whether it's through some crazy technology or psychological thing like hypnosis, but this is our idea. So I want to know what you guys think.
Okay,